Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we explore tips, tools, and strategies to help you thrive online. If you are a freelancer, a content creator, a small business owner looking to save time and boost productivity, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to be sharing 5 game-changing AI tools that is going to help you create content faster, scale your business, and even generate content ideas for you. So let's dive into it. The first up is ChatGPT. This tool is good for content creation tasks like content ideas, writing, blog posts, you name it, anything at all. ChatGPT is at your beck and call. These are the things I've used it for so far. I've used like it's actually my guy. Let me put it that way. ChatGPT is my guy. So let's give it a prompt and see what it can do, right? I just want to show you guys what you can use ChatGPT for. So right here I'm trying to make it understand what I who I am and basically what I do. It depends on what kind of prompt you want to give it for. I think I'm just trying to get content ideas from it here. So let's work on this prompt, right? My name is Bulwatwe Farombi. I'm social media manager trying to expand and add more value to people. Yeah. Okay, what do you think and how do I go about it? How can I go about this? Yeah. So let it generate an answer. You see that I will activate. It's great to meet you and hear about your goals and all of that. Can you see this? Right? It is actually breaking down this for me, like things I can do, right? I told you that I'm trying to expand, beyond social media management and see these guys. Like, ChatGPT is your go-to guy for anything at all. You are trying to generate content ideas, even content calendar. There is nothing it can't do, right? It has a paid plan and a free one. I use the free one, right? So if you've used the free plan to a specific limit, it tells you that you can just come back another time. So see this now. Yeah, I'm telling you to give you content ideas that I can work on. You see, you said, would you like me to help with any of these, such as creating content ideas, refining your services? So that is it. Can you see this, guys? Please, if you have been stuck on how to create content, you don't have ideas on what type of content you need to create, just come here to ChatGPT to help you out. If you tell it that you do not like it this way, do it another way, it will do it for you. Can you see? Would you like me to expand? Anything you want it to do at all, it will do that for you, right? The next up is Canva. Guys, I don't joke with this app at all. I'm showing you on desktop. You can also use it on your mobile phone, right? I don't joke. You see, ChatGPT and Canva, I don't joke with them at all. You see, these are the things I've done with Canva so far. Like, I've created a lot: videos, presentations, even YouTube thumbnails, anything at all you want from Canva, it will do it for you, right? So you're trying to create a video, a presentation, whatever sizes you want it to give. There are a lot of things that you can explore on Canva. Like, you just need to just take your time and then explore it. Can you see Instagram posts, whiteboards, presentations, social, anything at all you want to do? Let's try this video template. So you can pick out any a size of video you want, whatever kind of video you want to create, whether it is YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever video you want to create. And you have templates here that you can use and just edit to suit your taste, right? So Canva is like it is a very good AI tool that I don't joke with at all. Can you see? These are the things I've done so far. I've created a lot. So let's give it a prompt. Skincare products for, okay, let's do skincare products flyer, right? So okay, so we set Canva template. You click on that to bring out thousands of templates. Can you see that, guys? 10,000 templates that you can select and use for your brand or whatever goal you are using, whatever flyer for. It can be a flyer, a banner, a design, whatever thing you want to do on Canva, it will do it for you. Let me customize this template. It's loading. Right, can you see this? Oh god, look at this. These are templates, a lot of templates that are available for you on Canva. You just go there and just edit. You don't need a graphics designer to be giving out your flyers to. You don't need a graphic designer to come and help you build something. Just take your Canva, register on it, and start using it to design. Be creative, right? If sometimes if you don't need to be, just edit it. Find one fine template. When you see one template, just you see that it is nice and you just edit it. You can change the color of your text, you can change the font. God, I really 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 love this Canva. I don't joke with it. I use it every day. Yes, every day. I use it every day. So you can also decide to like when you are done editing, you can change the name, right there, then share it. That means you're exporting it. When you are done with the design, you download, click on the download button, then you change it to JPEG if it is a design, if it is a video, whatever format you want to export your design on, you understand. Then you click on the download button. That is it. Number 3 is Descript. This is a powerful AI video editing software, right? What makes it stand out is the ability to edit video just by editing your text. It transcribe your video for you, basically, right? So what I'm doing here, I've opened a new project, then I'm trying to change the name, like rename my project, then add a file. That's a video that you want to transcribe. Probably it's a YouTube video, you need it transcribed, or probably you're trying to generate a script, a caption for your video. Yeah, this is the best thing to do. So I've selected a video and it's transcribing for me automatically. Can you see, guys? So when you add a file, automatically it transcribes the video for you. So I'm just using this video as an example. It's actually do not really have real what's it called, real text. I mean, probably the person saying something. Yeah, it's just like a song playing on background, right? So on this script, you can transcribe your video, cut out the parts of it by deleting the text, and even add voiceovers, right? So just put in your video there. Can you see? It's these are the words that it got out from the video. It's just a music, right? That is why you are seeing all this. So you can just cut out a part of the text to, and it's going to automatically cut out the video for you. Yeah, so this script is perfect for video editing. You don't need to just start cutting out the videos. You can edit the video by cutting out the text that it has already transcribed out for you. So when you are done, this is still uploading, right? But it has already finished transcribing the what's it called, the audio is could get out of the video, right? So you are seeing all these it's actually music. Them say the best thing where you do it. So that is it, you understand. Then when you are done, you just publish what's it called, your project. When you are done editing, right? There are a lot of things you can do on this script too. You can just play with it, you can play around it. right? So it is a really, really good AI tool for you to use, probably even for podcasts too. It is really, really nice to use. Next up is Jasper AI. This AI tool is best for copywriting. Like, it's a copywriting assistant. Whether you need help with blog posts, hard copy, email content, you are in the right place with Jasper AI, right? So if you are stuck with writing, probably a sales pitch or email, Jasper can generate polished drafts for you in seconds, right? It's like having a professional writer in your pocket, right? So Jasper AI is good. It's perfect for copywriting, email marketing, and blogs. So you try it out. The last but not the least, this is actually my favorite, is Notion. So this Notion AI helps you stay organized and streamlined. Of course, it has many other features that you can try out. Can you see? It's actually it has AI assistant here. If you want to ask it anything, it is there for you, right? It also has a lot of features, but I use it basically for organizing myself. It's a really, really good tool if you need to stay organized, like, right? What's it called? It helps you manage, organize your thoughts and then manage your projects. It can summarize, what's it called? It helps to summarize notes, help you plan your content calendar. It even generates ideas for you. Like I said, if you try out the Notion AI, the button up there, it helps you generate ideas for your projects. So if you're a freelancer or business owner trying to stay on top of everything, you want to stay organized, this is your best friend, right? So I use the what's it called, the calendar, like I have mentioned. I opened it already, yeah. So it's been a while I used it, because most of the time I use Canva and then Google Sheets these days. But trust me, Notion is a good deal for you, right? Look at that. You just plan out your content, put it there, and then it helps you schedule your content. You're trying to schedule a meeting, plan your tasks, and it is really, 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 really nice. It is a nice tool, right? It is really nice too. You can also check it out, freestyle on it, on how it can better serve you. You see, all these tools I've mentioned so far, you can check them out and look at the way that they can best serve you, right? Depends on whatever you're doing. You're a freelancer, you're a content creator, you're a business owner. These tools are really, really nice for you. Okay, and there you have it, 5 AI tools that I personally use and recommend for everyone. I mean, freelancers, content creators, and business owners. So if you fall within these categories, or you just need any of these tools in your day-to-day activities, then I recommend this for you, because it really, really is helpful for me. I mean, it's helped me save time, it's helped me stay organized, and even help me with content creation when it comes to ideas and then creating content, editing content. So let me know in the comment section, which AI tool are you trying out first? So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video.